This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss a program in GW Basic Programming Language, chapter Graphics, module number 26. We're gonna start today, and program which we will discuss today will display colorful target on the screen. Now let's enter a program that uses all three colors from a palette. Also, the program will use 4 next loops to draw white circles. We will call this program target. So let's switch to the IDE, viewers. So viewers, in line 10 we will type rem statement, and we will type asterisk like this throughout the screen. Line 20 we will type rem, name the program as target. Line 30 we will type rem asterisk and then type this program draws a colorful target. Line 40 rem statement, once again asterisk through this way. Line 50 we will use screen 1. Line 60 we will use color 1,1. Line 70 we will type for x percentage equal to 10 to 20. Line 80 circle 160, 100, x percent. Line 90 and we'll type 1. Line 90 we'll type next x percentage. Line 100 for x percent equal to 30 to 40. Line 110 circle 160, 100, x percent, 2. Line 120 next x percent. Line 130 for x percent equal to 50 to 60. Line 140 circle 160, 100, x percent, 3. Line 150 next x percent, and line 160 we'll type and again. So I'm gonna press the enter key and then pressing F4 key for saving this program. We'll type the name as target.vas. I'm gonna execute this by pressing the F2 key, so you can see circles on the screen 1, 2, and 3. So you can see a normal target is actually denoted by drawing 3 circles in this way. So this is how we can see a very beautiful target on the screen, viewers. So let's switch to the text area where I will interpret the complete execution of this program to you guys. So viewers, how you can see that a very beautiful target on the screen by executing the above program. This is the whole program we have just executed from line 10 to 160. So every time, you know, different radians are there, 160, 100, 160, 100 and 160, 100, but here the x value is different, which is the radius from 10 to 20, 30 to 40 and 50 to 60. It actually fills the color. Whenever we use a for loop with the circle statement, the circle is actually filled with that particular variable which we use with the initial and the final value. So these are called the radians, 160, 100, but here every time the value of x percentages changes and there's a loop, and then there's also an increment of 1. So you can always see drawing circles with having different color and different you can call a filled circle by using a for loop. So now I'm gonna interpret the whole execution of this program, of the source code to you guys. So let's move to the interpretation section. Over here I will type each of the 3 circles has the same center. The radius is, so this is what I was talking about, the radius is set by the integer variable named x%. This variable is used in the loop and increases by 1 each time through the loop. Each loop executes a circle statement 11 times. This is how we make white bands instead of skinny circles. So you can see, now we have discussed that the loop will execute 11 times. So how it is? At first you can see that here the first initial value is 10 and the final value is 20. So you start counting from 10 to 20. So it means the loop will execute 11 times, like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and then 20. So you can see 11 times the loop is executed because we have given the difference of the initial and the final value as 11. Since you know the center of the circle is at coordinate 160, 100, try using a line statement to put an arrow into the bull's eye. This is how we call a bull's eye. You will get extra points. For creating an arrowhead and feathers. Now viewers, we will discuss the circle statement. Both the line and the circle commands have been used to help understand screen coordinates and color palettes. Now we must look at these statements more closely. First, let's tackle circle. So viewers, now we'll discuss circle x, y, radius, color, start, and so these are the attributes: color, start, and end, by separated by commas. And first we write down x and y coordinate with the circle statement, then radius, and then color and start, and then these color, start, and are called the attributes of the circle. So in our earlier examples of circle, we did not use all of the options. These other options: start and end, allow us to draw partial circles. This is pretty complicated. The numbers which describe the starting and ending points of a circle are not coordinate. They are angles in radians. One radian is a section of the circle. An arc that is equal in length to the radius. Radians are used frequently in advanced mathematics. Fortunately, we can avoid radians and create circles using degrees like a compass. Here is how a complete circle is 6.28318 radians. When we use a compass, a complete circle is 360 degrees. Thus, we can see that 1 degree equals to 0.0174532 radians. All we need to do is multiply a number in degrees by 0.0174532. We can even let BASIC do the arithmetic. Circle offers one other complication. Circles begin at the right and go counterclockwise. In other words, the 0 position is at the far right edge. If our circle were a compass, 0 degrees north would be on the right. The top of circle is 90 degrees. In radians, this is 90 multiplied 0.0174532. When BASIC, so whenever I type BASIC in capital, it means I'm talking about basic programming language, which is an abbreviation of beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. You should know very well about that. Okay, I'm talking about when BASIC draws a partial circle, it begins at the start number. And moves counterclockwise until it reaches the end number. It always draws counterclockwise, unlike the line command. You cannot switch the starting and ending points and still create the same picture. Now we'll execute a program in our next video, which will actually demonstrate several kinds of partial circles on the screen. So viewers, that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video.